What if the biggest thing holding your recovery back isn't your shoulder? It's that you no longer trust it? A lot of people assume confidence comes back automatically as the shoulder heals, but that isn't always what happens. I'm Dr. Dan, an orthopedic shoulder surgeon, and one of the most common patterns I see is patients who are healing well, but still don't feel comfortable using their shoulder. If you're wondering whether you're missing something important, I put together a free recovery audit to help you get oriented. It is in the description below. Before we get into today's topic, confidence usually doesn't disappear all at once. It fades a little at a time. Maybe you reached for something and felt a sharp twinge. Maybe you woke up sore after a good week. Maybe you heard a pop that seemed harmless, but you couldn't stop thinking about it. After a while, the shoulder starts feeling unpredictable. And when something feels unpredictable, you naturally begin protecting it. But protecting your shoulder and trusting your shoulder are not always the same thing. You hesitate before reaching into a cabinet. You think twice before lifting groceries. You sleep differently because you're afraid of rolling onto the shoulder, not necessarily because the shoulder can't do those things, but because every decision feels uncertain. This is the part few people are prepared for. Follow-up appointments focus on whether the repair is healing. Physical therapy focuses on your exercises. But neither can be with you when you're standing in your bedroom wondering, can I reach for that? Those decisions happen throughout the day, and each one is shaped by how you interpret what you feel. Pain does not always mean damage. A better day does not always mean you are ready for more. A frustrating day does not automatically mean you have gone backward. Confidence grows when you begin understanding what your shoulder is telling you and what it isn't. When every new sensation changes what you do next, recovery can slowly become driven by uncertainty instead of understanding. And that uncertainty affects more than your shoulder. It affects your sleep, your independence, and your willingness to return to the activities that matter to you. The goal is not to eliminate every concern. The goal is to stop letting uncertainty make every decision for you. For a deeper explanation, watch Why Recovery Feels So Slow After Rotator Cuff Repair. And if you want a more structured way to think through the decisions between appointments, that is what the shoulder recovery method was designed to provide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.